Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the beginning balance on QuickBooks. So first is head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the gear icon or the settings icon. Then next is click on chart of accounts. Now from here, just choose the specific account in which you want to change the beginning or opening balance. In my case, I'm just going to pick bank account. So we're currently seeing $1,000 balance, existing balance, and we would want to change this. But as you can see, if we click on this account history menu and click on edit, we can only change specific details about the account, but not the opening balance. Now, for you to be able to change this opening balance, all you have to do is click on account history beside it. Next is click on the specific balance that you would like to change. Then once again, click on edit. And from here, you can easily change it by clicking on the specific amount that you would like to change, add in tax if applicable. Then once done, you can head over and click on Save and Close. You will then be asked, are you sure you want to change the amount? And just a reminder that this can cause differences between your bank and QuickBooks balances. So make sure that the amount you entered is correct and accurate. Then once done, head over and click on Change Amount. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!